Think seasonal hires are exempt from legal scrutiny? Think again. The holiday rush is here, and businesses are gearing up by hiring seasonal staff. But here's where it gets tricky. Assuming that seasonal employees are exempt from the same legal requirements as permanent staff could be a costly mistake. Pay transparency, data privacy, background checks, and even AI usage, these laws still apply, and overlooking them can lead to serious consequences. Quick insights. Don't be fooled by the temporary nature of seasonal hires. State and federal laws governing pay transparency, privacy, background checks, and AI usage don't take a holiday. Ignoring these can expose your business to legal risks. Multi-state employers, beware. The patchwork of state laws can turn compliance into a complex puzzle, especially when hiring across different regions. Job listings, more than just a post. Pay transparency laws are no longer optional. They're mandatory in 14 states and the District of Columbia. These laws require employers to disclose wage ranges in all job postings, whether the role is seasonal or permanent. For instance, if you're hiring a seasonal retail associate in California, you'll need to clearly state the pay range, just as you would for a full-time position. And this is the part most people miss. Failing to comply can result in fines or lawsuits, even for temporary hires. Data privacy, a patchwork of rules. When it comes to data privacy, the landscape is fragmented. While some states exclude employer-collected data from their privacy laws, others, like California, have strict requirements. Under the California Privacy Rights Act, CPRA, employers must provide a privacy notice when collecting job applicant data, allow individuals to access and correct their information, and offer an opt-out for data sharing or sale. Neglecting these steps could land you in hot water, even if the hire is only for a few months. Background checks. Slow down to stay compliant. The pressure to fill seasonal roles quickly can tempt employers to rush the hiring process. But skipping or skimping on background checks is a risky move. From negligent hiring claims to violations of immigration or child labor laws, the consequences can be severe. For example, failing to verify eligibility to work in the U.S. could result in fines or legal action. Here's a controversial point. Some states and cities prohibit asking about criminal history on initial job applications, requiring employers to wait until after a job offer is made. This means you might need to rethink your hiring timeline to stay compliant. AI in hiring, efficient but risky. AI tools can streamline seasonal hiring, screening applications, assessing skills through gamified tests, and scheduling interviews. But here's where it gets controversial. Relying too heavily on AI can inadvertently lead to discrimination. Algorithms may inadvertently favor or disfavor certain groups based on age, race, gender, or disability, potentially violating federal laws like Title VII of the Civil Rights Act or the Americans with Disabilities Act. Bold question. Are AI hiring tools truly unbiased, or are they perpetuating hidden biases? Next steps. Stay ahead of the curve. Amid the seasonal hiring frenzy, don't let legal compliance fall by the wayside. Review and update your hiring policies, train managers on the latest state laws, and ensure every step of the process, from job postings to background checks, is fully compliant. This proactive approach can help you avoid claims of discrimination, negligent hiring, or other liabilities. Thought-provoking question. How can businesses balance the need for speed in seasonal hiring with the demand for legal compliance? Ovaltree Deacons will continue to monitor developments in background checks, cybersecurity, employment law, and more, providing updates on our blogs and client portal. For premium subscribers, full law summaries are available, while snapshots and updates are accessible to all registered users. Stay connected, follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram, or explore our webinars and podcasts for more insights. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take on the challenges of seasonal hiring compliance.